Europa, one of Jupiter's most enigmatic moons, has intrigued scientists for decades. Its icy surface hides mysteries so profound that they could alter the course of human history. For years, it has been written off as an inhospitable wasteland. Temperatures drop to a bone-chilling minus 160 degrees Celsius. The radiation from Jupiter's magnetic field bombards the surface, making survival virtually impossible. And yet, despite the extreme conditions, Europa harbors a secret so profound that it could one day allow us to survive in the vast, cold expanse of space. Imagine for a moment that beneath the thick, frozen surface of Europa lies a vast ocean of liquid water. An ocean that could potentially hold the building blocks of life. This ocean could be one of the most significant discoveries in the history of space exploration. What if we could unlock its secrets? What if the same conditions that have kept us away could hold the key to humanity's future? Could Europa become the new frontier for mankind? At first glance, colonizing Europa seems impossible. The challenges are immense. But over the years, NASA and other space agencies have gathered enough data to start asking a daring question. Could we conquer this moon? What if the impossible is not only possible, but essential for humanity's survival? The discovery of Europa's hidden ocean has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Hydrothermal vents, similar to those found at the bottom of Earth's oceans, could be the lifeline humanity needs. These vents release heat and nutrients. Exactly would be required to sustain life in an otherwise hostile environment. Some scientists believe that life on Europa could exist in a form we've never seen before. Alien, yet potentially familiar. If life could thrive in such extreme conditions, could humans too adapt to this frozen world? Now picture this. A group of daring astronauts stands at the edge of Europa's icy surface, gazing up at the towering, glowing presence of Jupiter in the distance. They are the first humans to step foot on this moon. Their mission is simple: to establish a sustainable colony. But as they descend to the cracks of Europa's ice, they uncover something shocking, signs of past activity, possibly alien in origin. The question no longer becomes, could humanity survive here? It shifts to, what if we are not the first to arrive? The stakes are higher than ever. Europa is not just a barren moorn waiting for human exploration. It could be hiding answers to questions we have yet to ask. Could its icy depths be the home of a lost civilization? And if that's the case, how does that change everything we know about life in the universe? But the challenges are far from over. The frozen crust of Europa, which could be as thick as 30 kilometers, presents a massive barrier. No existing technology is capable of drilling through it to reach the ocean below. In fact, even reaching the surface is an incredible feat. The radiation levels from Jupiter's magnetic field are so intense that any spacecraft or astronaut would be at risk of being fried by the energy. The question is, how can we overcome these obstacles? To make colonization possible, humanity must develop groundbreaking technologies. Imagine spacecraft capable of navigating through intense radiation. Think of life support systems that could sustain us in an environment where the sun's rays never reach. Advanced propulsion systems would be necessary to reach Europa, and once there, we would need radiation shielding and thermal insulation just to survive the extreme temperatures. But if we can crack these challenges, Europa could become the perfect habitat for humanity's next leap forward. Yet, as we dig deeper, an unexpected twist emerges. Europa, with its frozen surface and lethal conditions, may hold the very answers we need to solve Earth's most pressing crises. Could the process of colonizing Europa lead to technological breakthroughs that solve our problems back home? Could the resources we discover on Europa help end the energy crisis or provide solutions to climate change? In learning to survive in the harshest of environments, could we unlock technologies that make life on Earth more sustainable? And as we continue to uncover the hidden mysteries beneath Europa's ice, one thing becomes clear: humanity's thirst for discovery is unstoppable. The dream of reaching Europa is not just about the science or the technology. It's about the drive to push boundaries and face the unknown head-on. It's about finding hope in the most unlikely places. Europa's secrets are waiting to be uncovered. The road to colonization may be long and filled with obstacles, but it is a journey we must embark on. We may be far from the technology needed to make this dream a reality, but with every discovery, we inch closer to turning the impossible into possible. As we leave you with this thought, consider what's at stake. Europa is not just a barren, icy moon. It could hold the future of humanity. It could be the place where we finally reach the stars. But first, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to face the unknown and embrace the challenges of colonizing a world so far from our own? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling exploration into humanity's potential future on Europa. If you enjoyed this journey and want to learn more about the wonders of space, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing discoveries from the frontiers of space.